Welcome to the most unique, exciting, and innovative software installation you have ever experienced. This program will provide you with an easy step-by-step guide on everything you need for the successful activation and use of this amazing new technology. This process is designed to ensure that you have all the information you will need and will help you by providing instructional videos, exciting opportunities, and examples of how you will access information and special offers only available to our registered users. So, please enjoy, listen and view each segment. You are about to be digitally converged. Now, I am sure you must be wondering what we mean by digitally converged. At Digital Convergence, we have a vision of what convergence is all about. Imagine being able to use your television, radio, newspapers, magazines, catalogs, books, compact discs, even a soda can, to take you directly to web pages on your PC instantly. No need to try to remember hard URLs or search through cluttered websites. Now, with this amazing new technology, each of these items can act as a launchpad to fun, facts, or information on anything you desire. Welcome to the wonderful world of digital convergence and the technology that makes it possible. CRQ and CueCat. With that said, we need to get the legal issues out of the way. With just a few mouse clicks, you'll have agreed to the terms of use for this incredible technology, and we can continue with this program. So, please read the license agreement, click I agree, and we can move on. This is the Digital Convergence privacy policy. I happen to think it is the best in the business, providing great security and comfort for you. For example, Digital Convergence will never sell your name or email address without your express permission. The creators of this software dislike junk mail as much as you do. So, once again, please read, click I understand, and we can move on. Now that you have agreed to Digital Convergence's license agreement and reviewed the privacy policy, I now want to show you what your CueCat device does. Watch this, it is really pretty amazing. Your next question is probably something like, so, what's this CueCat going to do for me? With a CueCat, finding what you are looking for on the internet just got simpler. The CueCat is a revolutionary device, about the size of a mouse, which will change how you use the internet forever. With one swipe, the CueCat can read any product code, such as a UPC or ISBN code, or one of our proprietary cues, and instantly transport you to a corresponding web page. Unlike search engine results, which can often be cumbersome and inaccurate, CueCat lets you navigate the web instantly and with great precision. CueCat is like a global positioning system for the internet. Any product that has a Q, UPC, ISBN, or other product code is your gateway to more information on the web, including deeper information, related links, exclusive offers, order forms, and more. Want to know more about an article in a newspaper or magazine? Just swipe. Want to find a recipe using something you have in your kitchen? Swipe away. See something you want to buy in that catalog? One swipe and you're a click away from purchase. Want to get the warranty information on that VCR of yours? You guessed it, swipe. Now, from every corner of the digital universe, information can be accessed quickly and directly with just a swipe of the cat. And all you need to do to become digitally converged is answer a few simple registration questions. Couldn't be easier if you ask me. So let's move ahead. First off, how old are you? In order to make sure you get your activation code, which you will need to use your CueCat, we need to ask you a few more simple questions. You're ready to start using your CueCat. So, now we'll show you how to connect it to your computer. First, watch the following video all the way through. Once you are completely digitally converged, you'll need to turn off your computer before connecting your CueCat. Also, remember you can always refer to www.getcat.com should you need any assistance. Okay, so let's begin. After turning off your computer, you're going to need to disconnect your keyboard. Look on the back of your computer for this icon. Or simply follow the cable from your keyboard to the plug where it connects to your computer. Once you find it, gently slide it out. Now that you are holding the keyboard cable in your hand, take a look at it. The plug on the end should look like this. If it doesn't, you will need to visit our website and follow the special instructions there depending on the type of keyboard you have. You should now have the keyboard cable in your hand. Pick up the connectors at the end of the CueCat's tail and take a look. Notice how one has pins. This is called the male connector. The other is called the female connector. Now take the male connector and just put it right into the port where the keyboard connector was. There's a notch key right on the male connector to guide you along. So now you're left with the female connector from the cat's tail and the keyboard cable connector. Notice how easily they connect to each other. When you turn your PC back on, you'll notice the cat's red nose will light up. This means CueCat is ready for use. That's all there is to it. It's that easy. Now let's move on to the CRQ cable. This will connect your TV to your PC. A simple procedure that will change the way you watch television forever. You need to make sure your TV and PC are turned off when you make the connections. Okay, now that we've covered that, let's begin. First off, take a look at this. It's called a convergence cable. If your CD came without a cable, see if you have one around your house. Or you can easily pick one up at any Radio Shack nationwide. Notice the pair of plugs on one end. The one with the point coming out of it is called the male connector. The other is called the female. Next, locate the audio output jack on your television. The audio output jack looks like this, and may be located on the back or front of your TV, depending on the model. Be careful here, do not use the speaker output terminal. This can damage your computer. Just a note, if your TV does not have an audio output jack, look for one on the other devices connected to your TV, such as your VCR, stereo, cable box, or satellite receiver. Simply plug the male connector from the convergence cable into the audio output jack. If you already have something plugged into your audio output jack, simply remove it and set it aside for a moment. Slide the male connector on the convergence cable into the plug on your TV. Then, pick up the female connector from the convergence cable and connect the cable you removed from your TV to the female connector. Your audio equipment will operate as before, but now your PC can listen at the same time. All that's left is to connect the convergence cable to your PC. Start by looking at your line inputs, which are usually found on the back of your PC. You want to locate a plug marked Line In, Audio In, or Microphone. If you have a choice, Line or Audio In are preferable. Insert the small plug from the convergence cable into one of these. Installation complete. That's all there is to it. Now your PC can hear your television and open up an entire new world of convergence to you. And now for a brief lesson on using your CueCat. For an accurate reading, make sure you keep your CueCat device in contact with the Q, product, or ISBN code while swiping. If the swipe does not register the first time, don't worry, it's okay. Just try swiping in the other direction. Swiping with a fast and more constant speed makes it easier for your CueCat to read the symbol. Using an arm motion instead of your wrist will help in this matter. For best results, make sure you align the top of the cat's paws with the bottom of the code so that the red eye can read the black lines. You'll know you are able to read the code when you hear the cat make a sound. With just a very little bit of practice, this will become a cinch. There, that was a piece of cake, wasn't it? And now you're all ready to open up the new world of digital convergence. Unless. You see, as I mentioned earlier, Registering with Digital Convergence does more than give you the activation code you need to run the software. It also makes you a member of the Digital Convergence community, and as a member, you are privy to the ultimate web experience, taking you to information and privileges that only you can see and hear. It also qualifies you to be on our priority list for free gifts, big discounts, monthly specials, and coupons. You will receive these offers just for using our technology, but what if the deals we send you were more targeted to your shopping needs? What if they related directly to the types of hobbies and entertainment you like? Well, they can be. We just need to know a little more about you. So here's the deal. If you let us take up a little more of your time and answer a few more questions for us, we will make sure that you get the offers that are most appropriate to you and your family. Not a bad trade, if I do say so myself. So go ahead and tell us what you like. Well then, that's about all there is. As you've seen, it really is quite easy to give your PC eyes with which to read. But did you know that it's also incredibly simple to let your PC hear, too? That's right. The same software that lets your CueCat read any of the codes we've mentioned also lets your computer hear special signals transmitted in TV programs, over the radio, embedded into CDs, practically anything you listen to. And, just like with the CueCat, these audio signals can take you directly to relevant places on the internet where you can get more in-depth information about whatever it is you are interested in. And the best part is, you don't need to install any more software. In fact, all you'll need to take advantage of this technology is a convergence cable, which you can get at your local Radio Shack, or by simply visiting our website at www.crq.com. We'll also give you the opportunity to link right to it when you have become completely digitally converged. Now if you want to learn more about this additional feature, click the Show Me More button below and I'll give you a preview of what it can do. Or click on the Continue button. So what exactly is CRQ? CRQ is a revolutionary application that allows your television to serve as a remote control for the internet. Now your TV can send your PC to web pages without having to type in lengthy web addresses, wander aimlessly through multi-layered websites, or add a set-top box to your home for a costly monthly fee. Now, what can CRQ do? Imagine watching a travel program about Egypt, and when the camera enters the tomb of King Tut, you see this icon on your TV screen. That's a Q, and when you CRQ, get it? CRQ, and hear this sound, the CRQ software instantly brings up a web page on your PC that details all the treasures found inside. Or, as you watch a newscast, a Q can deliver live weather tracking or the up-to-the-minute stats for every player on your favorite team. Information that a television broadcast once had no time for can now be sent directly to your PC for you to study as closely as you like, at your leisure, either during or after the broadcast. With CRQ technology, your favorite TV shows can now send you behind-the-scenes information and special event invitations. Plus, as a CRQ user, you and your family can receive exclusive special offers and coupons directly on your PC, sent to you by many of the world's leading advertisers, manufacturers, and service providers. And all you need to do to become digitally converged is answer a few simple registration questions. Couldn't be easier if you ask me, so let's move ahead.